Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Patrushe and I am here to welcome you all on behalf of our group for PPL Activity 4, and I would like to tell you that we all are first year engineering students of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, and our teammates are Omkar Putane, Pratik Dhole, Vaishnavi Narvade and myself Patrushe. And our guide name is Professor Aman Kamble, and the core idea of our project is to tell you about how to make digital clock by using Python. Let's move on to the screen.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.